Welcome to Automation for Testers. In this lecture, we are going to continue about the functions in JavaScript. Okay. So now, today let's see in how many ways you can create the function. So far, we are using function keyword followed by name, followed by parameters, open bracket and close bracket. Okay. So if I recap something, let's say if I want to do addition of two numbers. So what I can do? Simply say add, and you can pass the parameters, which is not mandatory to pass, and the same thing, return I plus j, sorry, it should be j, and then you can say log add, and let's say 10, 20, and now if you run the program, there you can see j is not defined. Okay, sorry guys, it should be j. Now run the program, there you can see 30 you are getting. Okay, so this is basic way of writing the program. So far we have seen this syntax: function name followed by the keyword followed by name of the function, and then parameters, open bracket, close bracket, and here you can write any number of statements with return, without return. Okay, so now let's take a look at the other ways. We have. Now for example, let's say I can also do something like this. If I say variable add equal to function, okay, function, let's say I comma j, okay, I comma j, same statement. Okay, so now if I run the program, there you can see you're getting the same output. Okay, so it is not always mandated that you should always write like this. You can also write something like an expression, right? So here you're assigning this function to what? To this particular variable. Okay, so like this you can also write the methods in this format. So what is syntax, guys? Variable and the name of it, and then equal symbol, and the same thing function keyword, and then followed by the same pattern that you have written earlier. Okay, so in this way also you can write the methods. And let's see, do we have any other ways where you can write the method? Means yes, we also have the other ways also. For example, if I say in this fashion, if I say variable, okay, so variable add equal to, let's say this method name is what? Addition. In this way is also fine. Okay, so now run the program, same output you're going to get it. There you can see. That means you can also give the function name, you can also assign it to a variable. In both the cases are same. It's fine, there is no issue at all. Okay, so one way we have seen, second way, and this is what the third way. Okay, so now let's talk about the other ways. Do we have any other ways or not? Okay, so we can also write even more efficiently. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Okay, so in this case we can remove this. Yes. Okay, so as soon as we have removed the keyword function, it is giving me that, hey boss, I do not know there is something, so it is asking me to, this is expected. So let's try to put that and see any output will come or not. So run the program, there you can see 30. So this one is what called what? It is called as what? Arrow function. This is called as what? Arrow function, where you can even more, you can say even more you can reduce this one. Okay, for example, if you want to say remove it, okay, and remove it, okay, and let's see what is the output you're going to get it. Okay, CLS, try to run the program, there you can see you're getting the same output. Okay, so it is not always mandated that you have to open the bracket and you have to close the bracket if you have a very simplified logic. So in this case we are just doing what? Addition only. So these kind of things you can easily use in arrays. When you have, if you take a look at this example where you can write int AR, where array ARR equal to let's say 10, 21, and then 30, and then 41. Okay, so this is a way. And if I want to filter it, what we can do? So here air dot filter. Here generally what people will do, they used to do something like this: variable function name, and then they can give any name for it. For example, let's say func, and say each and every element will come. For each and every element you can say return element divided by 2 equal to 0, right? So this one will give you one output. Either you can say console log, for example, variable a equal to, and if I say log a, okay, if I run the program, what's the output you will get, guys? Only the, what we can say, even numbers. Okay, so this one is little lengthy, right? So okay, do I have any choice where I can reduce it? We can say yes. So what we can do, simply instead of writing these many lines, you can simply say element arrow function and remove all these things. Now see how much this has been simplified, right? So same output you are going to get it, same output you are going to get it. There you can see. So this is called as what? Arrow functions. Okay, so you can reduce the number of lines. You can write the function size and expressions like a expressions. Okay, so in this fashion also, you can create the functions within one line. Okay, I hope it is clear, guys. And do we have any other ways where we can write the programs? Means yes, we can also write something like this. Okay, see here, variable add equal to new function. So by using the function constructor also, you can write the program. You can see list of arguments the function accepts. Okay, for example, this accepting 2 parameters. Okay, and also if I say return a plus b. Okay, now if you run the program, same output you are going to get it. There you can see 30 you are getting. So how you are getting over here? Here you are using what? I like a function constructor. This is called as what? Using the function constructor, you have created a method. Okay, this is something like expressions only. Okay, expressions only in the single quote or double quote, you have to provide that. Okay, so like this, JavaScript offers you to create the methods in different ways. My suggestion is, if you are using any callback functions, try to reduce the the length of it using these arrow functions. Here you can also write like this, there is no doubt at all, but this one sometimes may lead to the confusion if you have so many callback functions with you. So in that case, this methodology will reduce the confusion, as well as it will also make the code to look easy and to look good also, right? So in these many ways you can create the function and you can make use of them. Okay, so I think we have discussed about arrow functions, we have discussed about the ways of writing a function. We have also seen function constructor. There you can see we're using the new function keyword. This is a function keyword, right? This is a small function, this is a normal one, and this is what? This is also keyword, that is also keyword, and this is also a keyword, but this is what? Something like a constructor. And there you can see create an object using the same thing where we have seen. Oh, this one we have not seen, guys. This one we have to discuss. We will discuss in the next topic. Okay, so in the next video. Yes, I hope it is clear, guys. Let me recap. So the whole idea of this particular video is you can create the functions in many ways, in normal traditional way, or else you can assign like a expression. You can assign it to a variable. You can call it later. You can also use arrow functions like this, and where you can apply in real-time examples like filter, map, reduce, and also you can create the objects using the function constructor. Okay, so I hope it is clear, guys. That's it for this particular video. Thank you. Thanks for joining the session. Have a good day ahead.